Now the next function we are going to talk about is the tapply. Okay, now what exactly tapply is? It is something like all the apply family functions look similar. What tapply is saying, it is going to like apply a function on each cell of array, and it is going to work for the vectors actually. Okay, it actually work for the vectors. So how we are going to use that, or how it is going to work for the vectors, let's see. First of all, दिस टाइम आई विल ट्राई टू यूज अ डिफरेंट डेटा. इस बार एक अलग डेटा यूज करने की कोशिश करते हैं, नॉट लाइक कि हमें हर एक एग्जाम्पल में सेम ही डेटा को यूज करना है. सो आई एम सिंपली राइटिंग हेयर टी अप्लाई, and when you write a t apply, there are a lot of parameters again, x, then index. There is one more parameter. If you look at this parameter carefully, यहाँ पर एक index नाम का parameter भी available होता है. Then there is a function. Okay, so let's write t apply. X means your data, like data किसी भी आप suppose let's take this time the example of iris data. हमारे पास एक iris नाम का data available है. So this is suppose you are passing the data, or you can even do one thing कि आप यहाँ से अपना कोई specific column भी pass कर सकते हो. I am simply passing a column this time. Okay, if I pass my whole data, अगर मैं complete एक data pass करता हूँ, then I pass in index. Index में आपको एक column pass करना होगा. Just understand the syntax of tapply. What tapply says, tapply कहता है कि देखो पहला पैरामीटर, फर्स्ट पैरामीटर मस्ट बी अ वेक्टर. तो ये बाय डिफॉल्ट हमें एरर देने वाला है. क्यों? बिकॉज आइरिस इज नॉट अ वेक्टर, इट्स अ डेटा फ्रेम. आई होप यू आर गेटिंग दिस थिंग. व्हेन आई राइट tapply, द फर्स्ट पैरामीटर मस्ट बी अ वेक्टर, लेकिन वो वेक्टर नहीं है. what I have passed here is complete data frame. Iris is a data frame. Okay, second parameter you have to pass is index. Index is a factor or a list of factors. Okay, factors means you might have some categorical column available with you. Let me show it to you. Let's use view and then iris. So these four column, first four column, अगर आप ये शुरू के चार column देखते हैं, sepal dot length, sepal dot width, petal length, petal width. These are the numeric column, but the last one is text categorical column. This is what a factor column is. Factor column हमेशा categorical values contain करते हैं. Now what what tapply is saying, the first parameter must be vector, लेकिन हमने vector pass नहीं किया. Then next parameter must be some factor. Factor हमारे पास सिर्फ एक ही column है, that is species. What you want to perform, it depends. Now I want to perform a function, something like mean, median, mode again. So suppose I am writing median, that I want to calculate median. Let's see the output. As I told you, it is saying argument must have same length. They are not having same length. Why? Because iris is a data frame. मैंने आपको पहले ही बताया कि जो फर्स्ट पैरामीटर होगा, that cannot be a data frame, that must be some vector. So that's why you need to fetch any one column. I hope now it is clear. तो tapply यूज करने के लिए आपको क्या करना होगा? What you have to do is use tapply, the data frame, go into data frame, fetch any one column. कोई भी एक numeric column आपको get करना है. Then apply some factor. Factor means a column that is available in categorical parts in your data frame, and finally the function that you want to apply. Let's see the output first. So we have three categories: Setosa, versicolor and virginica. In our data set in iris column, we have three species: Setosa, then versicolor and then virginica. These are the three species. Now it is returning the median of this particular column. So the column is sepal dot width. We have this sepal dot width column. Okay, so in case of this Setosa, what is the median? 3.4. In case of versicolor, 2.8. In case of virginica, that is 3.0. I hope it is clear that how actually it is working. So if I repeat this thing again, एक बार इसको मैं फिर से repeat करता हूँ कि इसने क्या किया. It goes into this column, ये sepal dot width में जाता है, but it divides the column into three parts: Setosa, versicolor and virginica. Now for each part, it is returning you the median. You can even find out the mean. आप mean भी get कर सकते हो, that I want the mean for each category. तो अगर सेटोसा की बात करें, so the sepal width is 4.28 on an average. If I talk about versicolor, 2.7. If I talk about virginica, that is 2.9. This is the mean of sepal dot width for each category. This is what tapply function does.